We are at camp. Had a bit of an interesting night last night. We've got Dan in his tent right here. Nathaniel is over here. And me and Ed tried to sleep in some Enos last night. So got people from my small group ended up scheduling a camping trip. It's been raining all morning. I'll kind of tell you guys what happened. So Weather Channel said it was gonna be some light rain this morning. Didn't think anything of it. It was pretty hot last night, so Ed was like, hey, can I try sleeping in the Eno also? And his first time camping, so I wanted to try and accommodate him and fit 2 Enos under the tarp. Well, that didn't work out too good. This morning, it started pouring down rain. I mean, like, just the bottom fell out of the sky. Like, it was just pouring down rain. I started getting soaked because I was down here. Ed was up top. And so this is like 6 a.m. We hop out, try and run in the tent. We didn't stake down the tent yesterday because we didn't think it was going to be that rain that hard. It said light rain, there's like a 20-30% chance. Well, now it's about 9 o'clock in the morning. It's been raining nonstop. Like right now it's raining, just drizzling. And I've already got hungry, so I think everybody else is asleep. They went back to bed, but I'm gonna try and cook some food over here. Got the Blackstone set up, and we're gonna see if we can cook up some sausage egg McMuffins this morning. And then we've got a pretty cool surprise planned later today. We're gonna do some adventuring and got a spot picked out. It's gonna be a lot of fun. What's up, Dan? Holy cow. Hiking to this waterfall was well worth it. And we noticed a little spot underneath that looked like the perfect size to climb under. refreshing trip, it was time to head back to camp. Much better.
Who knows what the Lord had cooking up? And you literally get to walk on top of it and see it drip down. I think that's why I don't like it. It's charcoal. It's too.
Thanks for watching. This trip meant a lot to me, where I got to have some really good moments of fellowship and got to create friendships that will last a long time. We'll see you on the next one.